This is Math 222, quiz number 5 solutions. Okay, number 1, you've got the square root of something. So square root of whatever has to be greater than or equal to 0. So I set x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 5 to be greater than or equal to 0. My boundary numbers are -3, 1, and 5. So we've played this game before. -3, 1, and 5. They're all closed circles because when I plug in -3, I get 0 is greater than or equal to 0. If I plug in 1, I get 0 is greater than or equal to 0. And if I plug in 5, I get 0 is greater than or equal to 0. And do my sign chart. Region 1, 2, 3, and 4. Region 1, -4. Region 2, 0. Region 3, 2. Region 4, 6. So -4, negative, negative, negative. 3 negatives make a negative. Negative greater than or equal to 0, that's false. Don't shade in region 1. Region 2, plug in 0. Positive, negative, negative. 1 positive, 2 negatives makes a positive. Positive greater than or equal to 0, that's true. Shade in region 2. Region 3, 2. 2 plus 3 positive, 2 minus 1 positive, 2 minus 5 negative. So 1 negative makes the whole thing negative. Greater than or equal to 0, no, that's false. Don't shade in region 3. And region 4, 6. 6 plus 3 positive, 6 minus 1 positive, 6 minus 5 positive. 3 positives makes a positive. Positive greater than or equal to 0, true. So the domain is bracket -3, 1 bracket, union bracket 5, comma, infinity. Number 2, if you factor the numerator and denominator, you have x plus 3, x minus 3 over x plus 3, x plus 4. X plus 3 cancels out. So this is the same thing as x minus 3 over x plus 4, provided that x is not equal to -3. Okay, so -3 comma -6 will be a whole. Okay, how do I get that? I plug in -3 here. -3 plus 4 is 1, so I'm dividing by 1, which means I don't do anything to the numerator. -3 minus 3 is -6. Is -6, right? So -3, -6 is going to be a whole. The rest of the graph, I just look at this. So va, vertical asymptote, x equals -4. Ha, horizontal asymptote. So first degree, just look at x over x, which is 1. So y equals 1 is an asymptote. See, if I plug in a billion minus 3 is practically a billion. A billion plus 4 is practically a billion. So a billion divided by a billion is 1. Likewise, if I plug in -1 billion, same kind of thing happens. Okay, and so I only have one vertical asymptote. So I see what happens to the left and to the right. So f of -3.999, a little bit to the left. So -3.999, that's a negative, that's a positive. So negative divided by small positive will be negative. We approach negative infinity. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit to the right of -4, which is -3.999, so on this side. Then a little bit to the left, -4.0001, -4.001, that's negative. -4.001 plus 4 is also negative. Negative divided by negative is positive. So we approach positive infinity. So on this side, it shoots up like that. Way out to the left in behavior, we approach y equals 1. Over here, on this side, we approach -infinity. On this side, we approach y equals 1 and have a hole at -3, comma, -6, which is where we have right over here. All right, so that is Math 222, quiz number 5.